This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the cursor speed in the Debian Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your pointer speed in Debian, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, out to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel there. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. That will open Settings. In the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. Now on this page here, up top here, you have your primary button. You can change your primary mouse button from left to right or vice versa. Down below that mouse, right here is mouse speed. To make your mouse cursor faster, you would move the dial off to the right side. To make it slower, now it kind of zips around. To make it slower, you would move it off to the left side. Now my mouse cursor is moving pretty slowly. That is how to adjust your mouse pointer speed in the Debian Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.